RS with one critical contrast. The past model was foreign to the assembled states just with a 6-speed manual gearbox, yet the industrial facility in Györ, Hungary, doesn't construct them with 3 pedals any longer. A 7-speed double grip programmed is the main transmission, with help diverted up from 18.1C in the main gen auto to 19.6C. The inline 5-chamber now makes another 40 stallions. In the meantime, weight is down, to a great extent, because of the aluminum hinder that replaces the old iron irregularity. On our scales, the 2018 TT RS tipped the scales at 3,270 pounds, 42 not as much as the active auto. Taken together, these 3 trays, more power, less weight, and a programmed gearbox make the new TT RS essentially speedier than its 4.0-second 260 mph ancestor.